You guys have to remember, New Jersey has some of the most volatile wildland fuels in the entire country. You know, everybody's used to seeing California and things like that, that chaparral that burns up them hills and goes crazy. Well, these pine barrens out here are the exact same type of fuel model. They are just like having napalm spread across the ground. It's, you know, in the right conditions, when humidity's low and fires become wind-driven, it's just, you can see, you can have catastrophic fires as a result of those conditions coming together.